Okay, so I'm gonna use my voice for this video because, well, I've technically already revealed my voice because I did voice auditions. But, yeah. Hello. So, because the votes are split half and half, I know I haven't got given enough time, a lot of time for voting for which one, but I'm just going to do the explanation, the alternate universe explanation, because I have a feeling a lot of you want that. Even though I want to do redesigns, I think it'll be more beneficial to, like, you guys, for, like, you guys, girls, whatever. Don't take that as offensive. If you don't identify as either of those, don't take that as offensive. But, yeah, I'm just going to do the explanation because I feel like y'all would like that more than redesigns. Even though I want to do redesigns, y'all probably want the explanation more. So since it's half and half, I'll just make that, unless I get, like, some votes that are untying of it, like, in, like, a day. I won't start making it until probably tomorrow. So, yeah, yeah, that's about it. I don't know what else to say. So, bye. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Okay. If I sound a little weird before I go, if I sound a little weird, it's because, like, I haven't been feeling too great. So, and for some reason, some of my syllables, like, cut out. So, we're just going to ignore that. And I'm gonna put auto captions on, so if they're wrong, then that's why. But, bye guys.